Hi guys, we are going to take our Ainsworth typing test today, and so I thought I would get you ready. Hopefully you have your typing chart. Today you're going to be filling out just the October part. So that's the part that says 1019. So just this column right here. You should have filled out your test for right here from last time. You should have set your goal, and you should have set your yearly goal with your red line, and then you should have a goal up here, and you need to check today to see if you meet your goal. So if you meet your goal, you're going to put Y for yes, and then put your next goal. And if you didn't meet your goal, you can just continue your goal for December, was the same one as it is for October. Also, you've got to fill out your accuracy percentage rating. So, we're going to get started. First thing you need to do is come down here to the little magnifying glass and click here to search. And you want to search INT for Internet Explorer. And click on Internet Explorer. You have to be in the Internet Explorer browser or it will not work. You might want to go through you might want to just roll through this video first and then come back. So I'm going to click right here. Some of you probably have the USD 232 in your favorites. If you click on the star and look for it, it might be in there. If it's not, all you do is you type www.usd232.org. Sometimes it'll auto-populate right here and you can just click on it. All right. So once that comes up, I'm going to maximize here. You're going to go to For Students, and then scroll down the page until you get to the remote desktop app. And click on that. Now, it may, for some reason, some of you, it's auto-populating this right here, your username. If it hasn't, if it looks like this, you need to click behind the USD 232 /. Otherwise, if you delete all this, you've got to put your whole entire email in. This just saves you from putting in the @usd232.org. So you can click here. I don't have any zeros in mine, but you have zeros, so you need to put your zeros. Here, we can set that. And then your password is going to be your first initial, last initial, hyphen, and then your number. Okay, so I'm going to put mine in. You're going to hit sign in. Okay, so once you get in, I'm going to close up all this mess down there. Then you need to click on Ainsworth Keyboard Trainer. Once you click on it, this little ribbon will open at the bottom. See a little yellow and white ribbon, and you need to click on Open. That will pull up. Now, you need to click Connect. Sometimes kids click something and that goes away. You have to make sure, if you don't see it, look for the little baby computer down here in the bottom and click on that, and then you can click Connect. Now, it's been starting to do this a lot lately. If yours looks like this, all you have to do is put in your password. But if you have two white boxes, you need to put your full email in, then put in your password. So you've got to do both. And if it messes up, then you messed up somewhere. Okay, like if it comes back and says nope, can't let you in, you might double check your to make sure your username is to make sure that your email is right. If you click on more choices, you can use a different account if you've messed it up. Okay, but I haven't, so I'm going to put mine in. Okay. Should roll for you. Okay, then once you get to this, some people will get like a big square, and you can just click OK on that. Some people will get a little thing that says, please put your name in here. If it says that, just put RE and then your first and last name and hit OK. All right. If most of the time it should roll just right to this. Then I'm going to hit, to get there, we're going to click on Test. We're going to go to Word Processing. Then we're going to go to Standard Speed. and 2-minute timed writing. Now, whenever you get here, don't forget, you've got to tab in. So what I mean by that is, remember the tab key right here, this will move you over multiple spaces so you can start your test quickly. Once you move over, you're right underneath this W, you've got to capitalize the whenever. And if you make a mistake, go back and fix it. The comma is on the bottom here. It's right here. The apostrophe, which is like a comma in the air, is right here. So apostrophe is going to look something like this. That's going to be in the air. Okay. I'm going to stop it right there. Let me pull back and let me show you another picture. You've also got the scorecard. You have to look at this part right here. This is the part you've got to look at whenever you're doing your thing. This best performance area, the red, is not really truly part of it. It's like a little portion of your, it's like a portion of like keys, it's like little groups, like ASDF, JKL semicolon, and it's your best performance on that. This is like your best performance on your entire keyboard. So that's what we want. So this is what you're going to look for. You're going to take your test 3 times. Remember, you can hit instant replay if you want to see where you messed up or how the whole test went, or you can hit repeat test to start the test again. I want you to please make sure that you turn over your paper and just write it directly on the back, okay? Your 3 scores directly on the back as you go. Then, once you've got all of your scores written down, then you can figure out the best one and you can fill out your paper. So if I was doing 14 words per minute, I'd find 14, fill it all the way down, 100% accuracy would be over here, and then I'd figure out what my words per minute. Obviously I got 14, so I'd do a different goal for next time, maybe 16, a couple of points up. Okay, hopefully that works out for you and everything's there. If for some reason somebody cannot get in, go ahead and have them log in as somebody else, and just have somebody log in on maybe the teacher computer or something like that, or have them log in have somebody else log you in on your computer, and then you can take the test and you can just record it that way. If you happen to just get dots like this, that is a no score. A no score just fills in this little bottom part. So if I had a no score, I would just fill in, I'd take these out, and the only part that would be filled in would be this part. And then over here, my accuracy, I would put an NS for no score, okay? You have to get an 89% or better in accuracy, so if you don't have 89% or better, it's gonna be a no score, all right? Please make sure you let the lovely substitute know if you did make it into a club. If you made it into a club last time, you cannot go into the same club this time. That means if you got 20 words per minute, 100% accuracy, and you're in the Too Cool last time, your next goal is Fast Fingers. And if you don't know for sure, I've got the list sitting up there on the desk as well, okay? Alrighty, I hope you enjoy. Go back and re-watch this again to make sure that you've got everything, you have everything laid out.